Okay, let's get this done in one go. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Because every time I do this, it eats a little bit more of my RAM, and I don't have much space left. Okay, so you are the poor soul who has been invited to a Minecraft server, and it's heavily modded. So you're gonna see something like this. You're gonna see my email address right across here. You can use it to get in touch with me, send me things, whatever. I'm probably not going to look at anything. If you ever send me something that looks like this, I'm not going to open it. I don't trust you. I don't know you. But if you see this from me, it's going to include a little, your username, what I saw you on, whether it was Facebook, whether it was Twitch, blah, 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 blah. So you're going to see something like this. You're going to want to download it, and you're going to want to open up your files, and you're going to want to move it. In this case, I moved it to Documents, CurseForge, and there it is. We're going to be using that to set up our profiles for a Minecraft server. Isn't that delightful? So I have this little pop-up here because I have OverWolf, and it takes me to OverWolf. And if I search in OverWolf and type in Curse, it brings me to CurseForge, and I can just click install. And in a couple seconds, there we go. And there it goes. CurseForge. An extremely useful little program for modding Minecraft. Makes it quick, makes it easy. We'll just skip the info. Click Minecraft. I don't care where that file goes, which is probably why it keeps eating all my data. I can't find these files to remove them because I'm not looking. Create custom profile. Import. And this is why you want to move it around because... Documents, CurseForge, there. Click on that. Make sure it's the right thing. Make sure you got it from me, not from anyone else. Click open. And there it goes. That's all it takes. It's doing it for me. So I'm probably going to cut a little bit of that loading because it's going to show off all the mods. And I don't want people to know my secrets. But once that's finished loading, you'll see the Minecraft version there. You'll see my little title. It'll tell you it's, I don't know, your creation, my creation, whatever. Click play. And it's going to set up a launcher. This might take a couple minutes, but don't worry about it. It's pretty normal. And we're back. Okay. Hopefully I remember to cut there. But you'll see you have your Microsoft login and your Mojang login. I have a Mojang account. It is under an email. And we're back again. Remember to always choose keep me logged in because this is yours. Well, I mean on your computer, not on other people's computers. That is very bad advice for other people's computers. Don't do this in public. But you'll see a little thing like this. And you can go here. You can see it's my account. It has my skin on it. And if I hit play... yes, I understand I'm using a modified version. That you cannot guarantee safety, blah blah blah. This is just a normal disclaimer. You're going to see a couple of these. Especially when you're logging into a multiplayer server because it's a third-party server. And there's like, it's just like, hey, you know, you might hear some bad words here. Alright? And we are not responsible for that. And if I catch you using any bad words, I will ban you. I can do that. I have powers. I understand. Play. And it's gonna download the mod packs. And it's off to the races. This is the thing. It's doing things. So, this is the thing. And it's gonna look like this when it loads out the first time. Don't worry about it. It's doing everything it needs to for you. Alright? It's patching everything. It's loading everything. It's making sure you are up to date to match with the server. And we're in Minecraft. You're going to want to go to multiplayer. You're going to go add server. Give it a nice little name. It doesn't really matter what you call it. With a Z. Because I'm a child. But you need the server address. This is the important thing. The server address is boarboys.serverminer.com. Make sure you type that properly. Capital letters do matter. And after a second, there you go. And all you gotta do is join the server. And here we are. Nice new server. You got your druid book, you got your astral tome for astral sorcery, and that's all the hints you're gonna get. Hope to see you guys soon. We get sheep at spawn. Huh. I'm going to find a nice little place to dig a hovel. Ooh, that looks cool. So again, oof. Let me just, options, controls, auto jump off, video settings, brightness, bright, done. I'll do the rest of that later. That's better. Mushroom. I'm forgetting what I was gonna say. I keep forgetting what I'm gonna say. This really is the roughest video I have ever made. What the crap is this? At spawn. Nobody mess with this. And I just remembered what I wanted to say. Stream's coming soon on Facebook. And that's the only way to get in. You have to meet with me while I'm streaming. Interact with me, let me know that you're a decent person, you're not going to use bad words on my server because it's family friendly, you know, that sort of thing. Mods will keep down griefing and that to a minimum. And please don't try to claim territories in other dimensions, like the Nether, the End, the Twilight Forest, any other dimensions that may or may not be in this mod pack. I'm going to explore that, probably. Open it up. In a bit. I'm dying slowly, still. My food was a terrible choice. See you soon. Come talk to me. Get in on the server. I'll be letting 30 randos join. 30 slots for you. Woo! Okay, so we're here in settings, something I forgot to mention. This is gonna be a little wonky jonky. You're gonna wanna reallocate memory and make sure you have like 4 gigs. That's about 4 gigs. It's 4096 megabytes. I'll do a little split there, make the nimble thing. That'll help you out on your end with the mods so you don't crash. Let me boost that up. You want it between 4 and 6, really. I'll boost mine to 5. 50-56 sounds good.